Hello everyone. This video is a free introduction to risk-based testing. So you clearly understand what it actually means in real projects and interviews. Let me start with a brutal interview question. What will you test first? Most testers freeze here. Not because they don't know testing, but because they don't prioritize like a senior. And this one question decides how interviewer judge you. Here's the difference. A junior is I'll test everything. A senior is I'll prioritize by risk. And companies don't hire testers to test more. They hire testers to protect what matters most. That's why this mindset matters so much. So, what is risk testing? Risk simply means the chance that something valuable fails. And the formula is very simple. Risk equals to likelihood multiplied by impact. Likelihood means how often it can happen. Impact means how bad the damage will be. When you combine both, you immediately know where to focus your testing effort. Now, as a tester, you don't track just one type of risk. You track product risk, crashes, wrong logic, data loss, security issue. You track project risk like unstable builds, missing environments, delays, and you track business risk, revenue loss, compliance issue, brand damage. This is how senior testers think beyond test cases. To visualize this, we use something called a risk matrix. The top left area means high likelihood and high impact. That's where your deepest testing goes. The bottom right area is low risk, means that's where testing stays light. This matrix alone can save your hours and improve the quality. To make this practical, we score risk, likelihood from 1 to 5, impact from 1 to 5. We multiply both. Low score means could test, medium score means should test, and high score means must test first. This gives a structure to your decisions. Let's take a real world example. Payments or UPI. Likelihood is high because user do this every day. Impact is very high because it involves money and trust. So the risk score becomes maximum. That means deep testing. Positive flows, negative flows, failures, retries, security, notifications. This is how seniors justify their testing depth. Now compare that with profile edit. Likelihood may be medium, impact is low, so the risk is low. Here you don't waste time on deep regression. You do basic sanity checks and move on. This is how seniors save time without compromising the quality. This directly changes how you approach regression testing. Juniors regress everything, and seniors regress based on risk. They focus on customer facing flows, high impact modules, failure history, recent changes, payment, login, checkout. So stop testing everything. Test what actually matters. Now, if an interviewer asks you what is risk based testing, your answer should be simple and confident. Risk based testing means prioritizing test coverage based on risk equals likelihood multiplied by impact. High risk areas get deeper testing first, low risk areas get minimum testing. That answer instantly sounds senior. Most testers struggle because they make common mistakes. They test everything equally. They overtest low impact UI screens. They can't explain prioritization logic, and under pressure, they blindly regress. Fixing just these mistakes can dramatically improve your confidence. In ISTQB terms, this is exactly how risk based testing is expected to be applied. You identify test items, you assess likelihood and impact, you calculate risk, you prioritize test conditions based on risk level, and you focus testing effort on the highest risk areas first. This is not just project thinking. This is how ISTQB expects you to explain risk based testing in exams and interviews. Now remember, this video is a free introduction to help you understand what risk-based testing really is. Inside my software testing mastery program, video 17 goes much deeper. You will see detailed explanations with strong visuals, memory hooks, and real application examples from WhatsApp, YouTube, Zomato, Amazon, Swiggy, and many more. So concepts don't just make sense once, they'll stay in your brain forever. After every lecture, you also get a one-page cheat sheet for instant revision before interviews, before the ISTQB exam, and during real day-to-day software testing projects. The program is live on Udemy, rated 5 stars by early learners, and designed to solve real pain points for freshers, junior testers, and even senior testers. So if you want the full structured roadmap that transforms your testing mindset and builds real confidence, check the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you inside the course. Keep learning, keep testing.